In this video, you'll learn how to connect Zapier to Claude using Claude Connectors step by step. Claude Connectors allow your AI to interact with your apps. For example, you can look at your calendar events for the next week. Now, with Zapier MCP connected, you can do 3 times as much across 9,000 different apps. For instance, with Zapier, you can then ask Claude to add someone else to an existing event and move it to a different time. First, we'll connect Zapier MCP to Claude, and then I'll show you how to add Google Calendar and up to 9,000 different apps. Oh, and this process is virtually the same whether you're using Claude on your desktop or browser for chat, Cowork, or code. Let's get you connected. The first thing you're going to want to do is go sign up for a free Zapier account. If you already have an account, all you need to do is log in. Once you're logged in, go to MCP servers. Now keep this tab open, we'll come back to it. Now we'll head into Claude Chat. I'm here in my browser in a free Claude account. You'll want to click the plus icon, then go to Add Connector, and then Browse Connectors. This is where we're going to see popular apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, Notion, etc. And we're also going to find Zapier. So you'll type Zapier in the search bar. And if you don't see this, you may be a part of a team or enterprise Claude account, and you'll need your admin to enable Zapier. Here's what that looks like. Your admin will need to sign into Claude, go to settings, and then go down to connectors. From there, they'll click Add, All Available, find Zapier, and enable it for your organization. Once Zapier is available to you, you'll just click the plus icon. That will open up this new tab. You've already logged into Zapier, so you'll see your account listed here. You'll click Allow. And to confirm it's connected, you'll see the little icon at the top right saying Connected to Zapier. Perfect. We'll also see that by clicking the plus icon, going down to connectors, and seeing Zapier toggled on. By going back to Manage Connectors, we can see Zapier listed. When we click in, we can see all of the tools that are available. Right now, it's just one. This is where we're going to go back into Zapier MCP and add Google Calendar, or you could add any other app from there. So back in Zapier MCP, we can see there's a Claude server that has been set up for us. We're going to click that. Right now, there are no apps added. We're going to click Add Apps. We're going to click Google Calendar. And you can see all the different things that you can do with Google Calendar listed here. This gives you a good idea for how you could interact with Google Calendar from Claude. We're going to select all of the tools and click Connect. You'll need to authenticate your Google Calendar account. Once your account has been added, you'll click Add the 14 tools. Now we'll go back into Claude, and we're going to click the 3 dots and click Refresh Tools List. Now we will see all those tools added here. We can decide which ones need approval. That's where it's set for default. We'll keep it that way. But if we wanted to always approve or block an action, we can also do that from this screen. Now we can ask Claude to show us next week's events for our Google Calendar. We'll click Always Allow. Now we can see next week's events. And if we want to change something, we can also do that. For instance, we can ask Claude to move the marketing team stand-up till later in the day and add someone else to it. Claude says it's been done. Let's check the Google Calendar. We can see the marketing team stand-up has been moved to 10 a.m. and the additional attendee has been added. So to add more apps and actions, just go back to your MCP server at Zapier, click Add Apps, and add whatever app you want to your server. Now that you have Claude connected to Zapier, you can start building skills and workflows with your apps. Don't know how to do that? Join us for a Build Along workshop. I'll drop a link in the description where we build along live so you can get something useful working for your business using Claude and Zapier.